universities are the means by which the traditions of a country, intellectual, artistic and ethical, the technical skills, these things are transmitted from one generation to another. These are institutions which make for the progress of any community. We deal here with human beings, not with dead material. It is our ambition to make them full human beings. Education is for the whole man, to think, to feel, to do, to be. These are the aims which we should set before ourselves. Without thought, nothing great can be achieved. Even when the gods are supposed to have performed tapas, Panini tells us, tapa alochane. Tapas is reflection. It is discussion. It is reviewing matters. We must think all the progress we have achieved in this world is due to the work of the great thinkers. And so far as this thinking process is concerned, it is not right for us to segregate ourselves. Most of us think that we think. Many of us are afraid to think. They would rather be dead than think, because it's too dangerous to think or to start innovations. For one man who thinks, 1,000 repeat what that man says, and they don't think anything at all. But the progress of the world is due to the thought mechanism of the human beings. All the great inventions which we have had in recent times, which have led to the alleviation of misery, the discovery of anesthesia, radiotherapy, nuclear energy. These are all the works done by enterprising individuals whose minds were perpetually at work. To them we owe a great deal. But to think is not enough. We may have the right thought,